I have got some great tips to help you get this Paw Pro 107-inch expandable squirrel proof bird feeder. Let's take a close-up look. All right, so I have removed the birdhouse, but you've got this great mount here. You can loosen this, and then this allows this to turn. So you can do a completely mount on the side, or even at an angle, maybe if you're not level. Let's come down here and look at the actual shield itself. So they include all the hardware with this, and you've got some extra hardware here. Let me point this out. So got some extra hardware here if you have hooks. Some of the kits come with hooks, but these little buttons here is what goes on. I'm trying to show you this. This is what goes on here. So you're going to put one in the top. This little piece goes in the bottom, and then that goes there. But one thing that I thought was super helpful was assembling this before it goes on the pole. You need to attach at a different spot so that, let me lift this up, you can install this bracket here. Now this is 2 pieces. You're going to want to put this screw in through the side that doesn't have any threading, because if you come over here, you want it to reach into that threading so it stays. So then this is totally sturdy. This isn't coming down, and it allows your shield to lay right on top, keeping those squirrels out. And then down here is where you have the adjustable. Let me loosen this. My hand's wet. There we go. Ah, there we go. Pull all the way up and then tighten that again. And then your birdhouse is even up higher. So a really great squirrel proof case. Pretty easy to get together. Just remember those couple of tips, and I think you will absolutely love it.